Ever feel like your chest just won't grow, no matter how many workouts you try? I've been there. I followed all the trendy routines, but nothing changed. One coach told me 100 push-ups a day. Another, well, got weird with chest slaps and manifesting. Neither worked and my chest was still flat. Here's the truth. If you want to build a larger chest at home, with zero equipment, you must stop doing more and start doing better. Because when it comes to training chest with just body weight, not all exercises are equal. Let's begin with the foundation, the standard push-up. If you're not seeing results from push-ups, it's not the move. It's how you're doing them. Most people rush through push-ups like it's a sprint, but if you want muscle growth, treat it like a strength exercise. Slow, controlled reps. Full range of motion, elbows tucked at about 45 degrees, chest touches the floor, glutes engaged, core locked. When you clean up your form, a push-up suddenly feels like a whole new exercise. Fewer reps, better results. Because now you're training with intention. A proper push-up is basically a moving plank plus bench press. How to do it right. Start at the top, arms locked, body in a straight line. Lower yourself with elbows tucked 145 degrees. Chest touches the ground, not stomach or chin. Pause briefly. Press back up. Glutes, quads, abs tight. No sagging hips, no flared elbows. Control the full range. Feel the pecs working. When done this way, your chest is under tension longer. Reps feel harder. And that triggers growth. Note, 3 perfect reps will beat 30 sloppy ones. And if you can already do 20 clean push-ups, great. Now slow them down, 4 seconds down. Pause, explode up. Your rep count may drop, but your results won't. Okay, your basic push-ups can build your chest, but if you want that sculpted line down the middle, time for the diamond push-up. This underrated move hits the inner chest and long head of the triceps, areas many guys neglect. Setup and execution. Hands close together so thumbs and index fingers form a diamond under your chest. Keep your hands under your sternum, not your face. Elbows close to the sides, not flaring out. Lower your chest between your hands. Pause. Press up with control. You might struggle to get 6 to 8 reps at first, and that's good. It means you're working the fibers most ignored. Programming tip. Aim for 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Use slow negatives to keep time under tension high. Superset with a contrasting push-up wider incline for variety and chest pop. This is where we crank up the intensity. The Pseudo-Planche push-up shifts your weight forward, forcing your chest, front delts and core to go into overdrive. Setup and execution. Hands placed further back, closer to hips or lower ribs. Lean your shoulders ahead of your hands. The more you lean, the harder it gets. Fingers slightly turned out for wrist comfort. Elbows stay close to the body. Lower with control, your chest stretching deeply. Body remains tight. If you can only do 3 bumpers, 4 clean reps. Perfect. This is a strength builder, not a volume move. For beginners, place hands slightly ahead of waist, limit range of motion, increase progress as you build strength. Ready for the next level move? The archer push-up is basically a one-arm push-up progression. Wide setup, shift your weight onto one arm while the other stays straight. Unilateral strength, chest thickness, symmetry, all in one. How to do it right? Start with feet and hands wider than shoulder width. As you descend, shift toward the working arm. Opposite arm stays extended but fully engaged. Bottom position, your chest is aligned with the working hand. Press up with control, recenter, then switch sides. Common errors. Hips rotating or twisting, tempo too fast. Passive straight arm. Fix those, and this becomes a powerhouse move for building real pressing strength and balanced chest. There you have it, 4 push-up variations that can build your chest at home with no equipment. But remember, training smarter beats doing more. Master form, control tempo, focus on range, and progress consistently. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Yes, that might double your push-ups overnight. Let me know in the comments which variation you'll try next.